In this brief video, I want to talk about two properties that emerge out of covalent bonds, and that's bond energy and bond length. Now that we know what a bond is, what a covalent bond is, and we also saw examples of single bonds where there is only one dash between two elements, two atoms, then we also saw example of double bond as in carbon dioxide where between carbon and the oxygens there were two dashes. That's a double bond. And at most we can have a triple bond in molecules. There can be single, double, triple. There cannot be any more. Now, whenever there is bonding, there is a possibility of breaking a bond. In fact, when chemical reactions happen, that's breaking or making of new bonds, which we'll not get into yet. But whenever we have to break bonds, it requires energy. And the amount of energy required to break a bond holding the two atoms together is called bond energy. Because triple bond is 3 bonds, more energy is required to break that bond than a double bond, which in turn requires more energy to break than a single bond, assuming we are comparing the same atoms bonded differently. Bond length is the distance between the two atoms that are bonded. In a single bond, the distance is greater than a double bond. In a double bond, they are slightly closer, and then in a triple bond, they are even closer. So these are the two properties that are important in order to completely understand the chemistry and structure of compounds. But we will not go very deep into this, but at higher level chemistry, we definitely use these facts to understand how bond making and bond breaking happens and what are the exact structures of the molecules.